May mga taong nagsasabi na ako daw ay anti-government. Yang mga taong yan, hindi nila alam ang pinagsasabi nila. Wala silang idea kung ano ang binabanggit o sinasambit nila. Wala. How could a society function properly without a ruling government? Huh? Tell me, how? Without a ruling government, there will be chaos, an anarchy. Walastek, hindi ako anarchist. I do not condone disorder and chaos. I am pro-government, not anti-government. It is the corrupt government officials and politicians I despise. What I am against: abuse, exploitation, and corruption.